everyone, it's me Deepa, and today I'll be showing you guys how to do a very simple and quick DIY scalp treatment. So this scalp treatment is mainly for itchy scalp. So if your scalp is feeling really itchy, it's very dry, or it's very flaky, this is definitely going to relieve you from that itchiness. I know how frustrating that could be. So it's very simple. All you'll need really is 2 ingredients, and which is really water and apple cider vinegar. So this treatment is also called the ACV Rinse. So it's very easy, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that now. But let me not keep this video back any longer. Just one more little note before I go. The ACV Rinse also really does cleanse your scalp, so you would feel your scalp will feel so much cleaner, and it will actually help with any kind of sort of buildup, any product buildup on your scalp and in your hair. So it actually really does help to clean all of that out, and it really gets rid of bacteria. No joke. So this is a very good treatment to try at home. And if I'm actually when I apply my my ACV rinse, what I'm going to do is leave it on for 30 minutes, and after that I'm going to wash and condition as normal. And after that I'm also going to put on one more scalp treatment, a very easy treatment, oil treatment on my scalp and throughout my ends, and then I'm going to trim my hair, and then I'm going to style it. So stay tuned. So I have my mixture here, and it's nice and warm, so I use nice warm water and my apple cider vinegar, and I'm now going to apply it to my scalp. So what you want to do is you can just make patterns as you go along and just spray and massage. So the idea is to get it throughout your scalp. And really try to get that mixture into your scalp. So you want to and I'm not sure if I mentioned, for those of you who don't know, apple cider vinegar smells awful, so just be prepared to be putting something really awful smelling onto your hair. And what we want to do is take the cushions of your fingers, your fingertips, and just rest it onto your scalp and use circular motions. So this is basically the idea, throughout your scalp, and then you can slide your fingers all the way down and all the way back, kind of like this. Let me show you. That's it. You can style as normal. You can do it just as normal. Hi guys, so I'm back, and I washed my hair just like I would usually do with shampoo and conditioner, and my hair feels amazing. My scalp feels really good. It feels really refreshing and very clean. So you have to try this apple cider vinegar treatment. It is really good. You would love it. My next treatment would be sort of like a leave-in treatment. So it's an oil treatment. I'm going to use neem oil. Neem oil promotes thicker, stronger and luxurious hair, and it's really good for your skin as well. You will love it. So I will link down below some more information on neem oil. I also this neem oil I made on my own. I have a video on YouTube showing you how you can make it at home as well, and a quarter teaspoon is just enough. It's not too much. The reason is I don't want my scalp to feel too greasy or my hair to be too greasy. I just want it to just be moisturized a little, right? So 1 teaspoon of neem oil, and I have a little flat little container. You can probably use a you can use a plate, like a little saucer, and I'm going to use 3 drops of peppermint oil. Peppermint oil is actually really good for your scalp as well. It is a antiseptic, and it also cools your scalp down. So that itchiness that you're having, this would actually relieve that itchiness. And it also stimulates hair growth. So it stimulates your hair follicles, and it would actually help your hair to grow. Of course, it gives your hair a real nice healthy shine. So both combined, the peppermint and the neem oil will give your hair this really beautiful shine. Just don't use too much so that you don't look too greasy, right? So I'm going to use 3 drops. 1, 2, 3. And the reason why I'm not using too much, now if you have a sensitive scalp, do not use too much. You can even use up to 1 drop. I just love the tingly feeling. I love that feeling, so I can take it. If you have sensitive skin, be careful because this will kind of burn. So you can even test it out a little bit on your skin to see your reaction towards it. I personally, as I was saying, like it, but if it's too much for you, just use less, right? So 1 drop would go a long way, that's fine. This is amazing. So it feels really like it really makes your experience sort of like a spa experience, right? So let me not keep you back any longer. So what you want to do is just kind of dip your fingers into this. So I'm just dipping all my fingers, just trying to get my fingertips in the oil, just a little bit, so you can see my fingertips has a little bit of this oil. And what I want to do is just try to massage it into my scalp, just like I was doing with the with my ACV rinse. Just try to get the product throughout your scalp and give your scalp a nice little massage. And don't forget your hairline. Whatever product you have left, which is probably just a few drops, as you all can see here, just a few drops, you can just rub it on to the palm of your hand and just distribute it throughout your hair like this. There we go. At this point, you can just style your hair like as you usually would. You can blow dry your hair, flat iron it, whatever you want to do with it, and it will feel a lot better than it was. And you want to do this maybe twice for the week or even 3 times for the week, and you will see a drastic change, I promise you. My hair feels great, guys, and my scalp feels really good. So definitely try this treatment. Bye!